Welcome, friends. Revise with me homeopathic remedy, and we are dealing with magnesia phosphorica. This is part 8D MCQ review for practice, and here we have been dealing with clinical aspect of the remedy in day-to-day practice. The references, especially for answers, are taken up from Ellen's keynote. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. Let us go to the first MCQ. A 35-year-old woman complains of severe cramping abdominal pain during menstruation. The pain is relieved by bending double and applying hot water bottle. Which remedy should be considered first? A. Pulsatilla, B. Magnesia phos, C. Sepia, and D stands for legacies. The answer is B. Magnesia phos. Please remember that cramping pains relieved by heat and pressure common in dysmenorrhea. MCQ 2. Here we come with a patient presents with sharp shooting facial pains along the trigeminal nerve. Worse from cold draft but relieved by warmth compresses. Which remedy matches these symptoms? A. Hypericum, B. Spigelia, C is Magnesia phosphorica, and D is aconite. The answer is C, Magnesia phosphorica. And please recall neuralgic pains better from heat. Spigelia is also for facial neuralgia but has different modalities. We go to MCQ 3. A young athlete complains of sudden excruciating leg cramps after exercise. The pain is spasmodic and eases with massage and warmth. What is the most likely remedy? A. Arnica, B. Rustox, C. Magnesia phos, D. Cuprum metallicum. And we come here with the answer C. Magnesia phosphorica. Cramps in muscles, especially calves, relieved by heat and rubbing. Cuprum met has similar spasms, but they have convulsions. They may have convulsions also associated with it. MCQ 4. A middle-aged man has recurrent episodes of colicky abdomen pain with bloating relieved by passing gas and bending forward. Which remedy fits this best? A. Colocynth, B. Nux vomica, C. Magnesia phosphorica, and D. Lycopodium. Again, we find answer C is the most appropriate answer. Please recall colicky pains better from bending double and warmth. Colocynth is also called for cramping pains but is better from hard pressure. MCQ 5. A patient with sciatica describes the pain as electric cramping and worse from cold but relieved by hot baths. Which remedy is the most suitable? A. Bryonia, B. Kalicarb, C. Magnesia phos, D. Nephelium. Answer is C. Magnesia phosphorica. Sciatic with neuralgic cramping pains better from heat. Nephelium is for numbness with sciatica. Please recall. We go to MCQ 6, and here it tells us a nursing mother experiences intense spasmodic pain in her breast while feeding, which is improved by warm applications. What is the most likely remedy? A is phytolacca, B is belladonna, C is magnesia phos, and D is pulsatilla. Here we feel the C is the choice, the magnesia phos. Here, spasmodic breast pain relieved by heat. Phytolacca is for hard, inflamed breast with cracked nipples. MCQ 7 tells us a child wakes up at night with severe leg cramps, screaming in pain. The parents find relief by massaging and applying warmth, which remedy should be given? A. Chamomilla, B. Calcarea phos, C. Magnesia phos, D. Belladonna. Answer is C. Magnesia phosphorica. Let us recall nocturnal cramps in children relieved by heat and rubbing. Chamomilla is for irritable children but without cramping pains. We come to the MCQ 8. A patient with writer's cramp complains of spasm in hands while writing. Eased by warm soaks, which is the best remedy? A. Gelsemium, B. Causticum, C. Magnesia phosphorica, D. Argentum nitricum. Answer is C. Magnesia phosphorica. Please remember that and recall that spasmodic affections of hands better from heat. Causticum is for paralysis and weakness. So, friends, thank you for watching and listening. Sharing is caring.